Hi, welcome to week 6 of our analytics course. What we're talking about this week is presentation. One of my favorite topics to go over here, because an important part of what we do is communicating our analysis and our analytics and the results of what we come up with. It doesn't do anyone any good to come up with some valuable insights if you can't communicate those insights. And so I take an entire sort of module out to go over that. We got a book dedicated that you're going to read that's specifically dedicated to being able to communicate well. This is it's an important element of analytics. It's also an important discriminator between you and everyone else, frankly. If you can communicate better than everyone else, both what you find out and what your insights are, as well as just being able to think through communication in general, you'll be more effective as an analyst. You'll be able to have more impact as an analyst going forward. So those are very important things we want to be able to take this week. Week will run like any others. We've got some videos, some presentation you want to go over, a couple extra charts on some ideas on presentations, how to do things better, a lot of reading. You've got the Wall Street Journal book, which is just a phenomenal book. I encourage you to keep that book at your desk and reference it. You will learn a lot, and you'll be very frustrated with everything else that you see when you learn how to do these things well and you see everyone else doing them not well. But anyway, that's what we've got. And then an assignment to really just create a presentation yourself. Just take some analysis that you do and create that into a chart that you can present that follows sort of the guidelines that we picked up this week. Then a quiz at the end of it, and then we're good to go. So have a good time this week, and we will talk later.